Are you looking for the best speed camera detectors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camera detector on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Jepco G4 Pro Anti-Spy Detector. Amazon has plenty of hidden camera detectors for sale, but the Jepco G4 Pro has certainly got our attention. That's because the hidden camera detector is a handy device for anyone who struggles to trust hotel or Airbnb rooms. It is ergonomic and has top-notch functionality. For a detector that's shaped like a stick, it packs a lot of features. The device is a camera detector and signal sensor combined. It uses 6 LEDs on its body to alert you of wired or wireless cameras, GPS locators, bugging devices, voice recorders, and radio wave emitters. The light's brightness intensifies when detecting signal sources. There's also laser light on one end of the detector and a 300 mAh battery inside. The former component has been upgraded to give the G4 Pro more power to precisely locate hidden cameras when flashed by the lens. Meanwhile, the latter lets the product last a full day on a single charge. What may be more amazing is how easily you can switch between the device's modes. Just hit the 2 side buttons to activate the signal or hidden camera detector mode. Number 2. Wattne Anti-Spy Detector. Coming out as an upgraded version of its predecessor, the Wattne Anti-Spy Detector can prevent breaches to your privacy like it never has before. Anyone familiar with metal detectors would find a sense of familiarity upon using this hidden camera detector. This device robotically beeps when it senses a wave, 2G, 3G, or 4G mobile phone SIM card bug, GPS locator, and 1.2 to 5. 8G wired or wireless camera devices. Developers have updated this hidden camera detector by infusing an AI detection technology, a huge step up in the spy detection capabilities of this device. On top of that, improvements in the LED display made detection of hidden bugging devices fast and precise. The design adopted for this device might be archaic and not as ergonomic when compared to the G4 Pro. It's bulky, thus heavier. However, this device has more capabilities than the G4, which only has RF and laser detection mechanisms. Number 3. KAXYUYA GPS Tracker Detector. Resembling a badminton racket, the KAXYUYA GPS Tracker Detector is a bit bulky but very easy to use. That isn't the only reason why this device is a top pick, though. It is also considered to be among the most advanced detectors for hidden cameras to date. Under the device's hood is an advanced bug detector technology powered by ultra-high sensitivity chips. The said components make the detector more than capable of sensing hidden cameras or any forms of eavesdropping devices emitting RF signals and magnetic fields. Hidden camera or device detection is signaled by the green and red lights on the device. The green lights lined on one side of the product's head alert for RF signals. Meanwhile, the red ones on the opposite side are for magnetic fields. Those also indicate GPS sensing even when the device is off. As regards other physical features, the KAXYUYA GPS Tracker Detector also comes with a detachable hose-like magnetic device detector. On top of that, it has an LED torch and battery charger. The removable parts are intended to compensate for the bulkiness of the main device. That is good if you want to make the spy detector gadget lighter to carry. Number 4. M8000 Wireless Signal Radio Detector. This M8000 wireless signal radio detector hits 2 birds with 1 stone, and that is why we are recommending that you get it. It's a handheld spy detector that sweeps an area to help you discover not only magnetic fields. It can also identify radio frequencies emitted by bugging devices or hidden cameras. How does it exactly work, you ask? The hidden camera detector uses an LED sensor. It becomes sensitive when it gets near a source of a signal or magnetic field. To elaborate, it will beep increasingly to indicate the presence of a hidden bugging device in your room or car. Configuring the RF and hidden camera detector is possible through the sensor adjustment dial. The only downside of this device is that it does not have a standard USB charger. It must be plugged into a socket when the battery juice is low. Nonetheless, it makes for a good hidden camera detector alternative to the higher-ranked products in this list. Number 5. DefCon DD1206 Hunt Sweeper. This DefCon DD1206 Hunt Sweeper hidden camera detector is a professional-grade device. However, it does not come cheap like products of the same caliber. That's why, as a buyer, make sure to consider the price of the device and evaluate if it is justifiable given the device's features. Nevertheless, the DefCon DD1206 Hunt Sweeper can pass your standards, so you must not pass on it if you have the budget. The tool has the power to detect an array of digital and analog transmitters. For example, GSM, DCS, WCDMA or DECT3G, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi signal-based bugging devices covertly planted in your room, office, or car. It also has a feature that senses FM transmitters through sound waves. You won't get that in most spy detectors in the market today. The mic in the device would pick up the sound and will result in a beep that signals a hidden device's presence. A light will also flash when the beep sound goes off. As mentioned beforehand, the device is not for the budget constrained. Hence, further considerations will have to be made. Where do you plan to use the device? Is it sturdy compared to other alternatives? Is it going to serve your purpose in the long run? If you are satisfied with the showcased features and have the answers to your questions, this device might be the one you are looking for. If not, we still have more alternatives for you.